Imagine turning your shower thoughts into a money-making machine. Yep, those random ideas while you're shampooing your hair, and you feel the burn of the soap suds in your eyes. When all of a sudden you realize that you could fund your dream vacation, or at least cover your next shopping spree. Today I'm breaking down how I built a $12,000 a month income selling digital products, and why ditching platforms like Shopify and Amazon was the best decision that I ever made. And here's why. Digital products are kind of like the Avengers of passive income. Think about your favorite superhero team. I know, it's me and Steve, but hey, think of the Avengers. Digital products are like the Avengers. You assemble them once, and they keep saving the day over and over. But, of course, with less collateral damage. Whether it's ebooks, templates, or video courses, they require no inventory, no shipping, and no dealing with returns. For example, a friend of mine, she's a hairstylist. She created a do-it-yourself bridal hair tutorial series. She posted a few videos on YouTube, linked her digital product, and now brides all across the country are learning how to style their hair without dropping a fortune at a salon. The brides were able to save money, and now my friend makes an income with her knowledge. What makes digital products so powerful is that they let you clone your knowledge. You're not trading hours for cash anymore. It's like recording a hit single. You write it once, and it keeps earning you money and royalties for 50 years or longer. That's a pretty sweet deal. Another reason why Amazon and Shopify don't make the cut in my mind. Platforms like Amazon and Shopify feel like those extended family members. Think of this. Those who borrow money and never pay you back. Shh! We all have a few of those, I'm sure. That's hilarious. When are we going to learn to stop loaning them money? That's the real question. Amazon and Shopify promise big rewards but nickel and dime you into frustration. Take Shopify, for example. They let you set up your shop, but it's like being handed a sword in a medieval times. You're still on your own to fight the war. You've got to bring your audience, handle the marketing, and good luck. And hope for the best. And then there's Amazon. Let's just say they're more like the Mafia of e-commerce. Between fees, competition, and their tendency to push knockoff versions of your product, you feel like you're playing poker at a table of poker faces. Instead, I focus on selling directly to my audience. I think of it like hosting a private screening of your favorite movie. Gonna eat me some popcorn? It's exclusive, intimate, and entirely under your control. No shady fees, no unexpected surprises. Just simply a direct line between you and your customers. Build your own audience because it's the best long-term strategy. Growing your own audience is like planting a tree. It takes time, but the shade is totally worth it. When you build your own email list or your social following, you're not at the mercy of algorithm changes or platform drama. I started by sharing productivity hacks on Instagram. I wasn't sure anyone would care, but people love tips like 5-minute hacks to stop procrastination. Those followers eventually became email subscribers and later customers for my digital products. Here's the kicker. An email list is like owning prime real estate. Social media is literally just renting. It's unpredictable and it's totally out of your control. Look at what just happened with TikTok. It shut us all out and millions of people freaked out. But when you've got someone's email, you're building a direct relationship. And this is golden. Email marketing is like the bat signal of sales. Email marketing isn't just effective, it's iconic. Sending the right email at the right time is like lighting that bat signal. And what was that signal for? It gets attention fast. When I launched my first product, it was a content planner for small business owners. I had about 150 people on my email list. I sent out a series of fun conversational emails. Like, here's why your to-do list is plotting against you. And over 20 people bought within the first 24 hours. That's 20 sales without posting on Instagram, tweeting, or begging for attention. Social media is great for catching attention, but emails are where you will really thrive by nurturing and building rapport with your customers. Do you know what the best part of this is? You can automate it all. Write once and sell forever. It's like setting up the Fast and Furious of marketing. Do you know how to stand out in the digital world? Let me share a secret. The easiest way to stand out is to be unapologetically you. I once launched a live video where I talked about the time I accidentally ordered 300 left-handed coffee mugs for an event. I'm not even left-handed. People loved it, not because I was perfect, but because I was real. Your personality is the selling point. Whether you're a Star Wars nerd, a do-it-yourselfer, or you're into dad jokes, let it shine. People don't buy from robots. Well, they do nowadays, but you get what I'm saying, right? They buy from humans. Remind yourself every day that it's okay to be you. So go ahead and own all your little weird quirks. That's how you go from just another seller to someone they trust and want to buy from. Here's your mission if you choose to accept it. It's time to take action. Start brainstorming your first digital product idea. Maybe it's a meal prep for beginners, or budgeting hacks on a spreadsheet, or even a do-it-yourself home workout series. If you need inspiration, head on down to the description, grab your free guide, the 25 digital product ideas. It just may help you brainstorm. And if you're serious about building a profitable digital product business, type copy in the comments of my new revised ebook. It's packed with strategies, tips, and real-life examples. Thanks for hanging out, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next one. Just a reminder, can you tell me in the comments what movie did I talk about in this video?